Clock keeps talking in a quiet room, and shadows tread we used to move. Yesterday feels closer than today, like it never really went away. Photographs in faded frames still whisper out your name. We said we'd last, we said we'd try, but time had its own reply. Every promise we couldn't keep, every word we meant too deep, now they're floating in the air like moments nobody can repair. Time flies, but the days better than it seemed. And my days nothing really couldn't say. Time flies, sudden slow for goodbye, leave us standing, asking why if love was real. Then tell me why it still hurts as time flies by. The seasons change without a sound. New faces come and hang around. I smile more than I used to do, but every road still leads to you.